What is up, you guys? Today we are at the golf colony at Sendas in Mesa, Arizona, and I'm Saul, your favorite realtor. This property is going to be one of our newest flips, and it's already in immaculate condition, but we're going to make it way better. We haven't started construction yet. The contractor's on his way, but as the property sits right now, it's 3,414 square feet, backs up to a golf course, has a 3-car garage, a rooftop deck, and it's 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. I can't wait to take you guys through this house. All right, you guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we need to do to this property. As you can tell, it's in fantastic condition, just like I said before, but it has some little things that make it look dated, such as the ceiling fans around the property, the carpets, and the color of the cabinets, as well as probably what's going to be our biggest cost on this house, the kitchen. You can tell it looks dated. We have white appliances, we have white faucets. This countertop doesn't look the best. We're going to be staining it or painting it. We're going to be adding grab handles. We're going to be replacing the faucets in this property. And on top of that, we're going to be obviously carrying that style throughout all the other cabinets throughout this house. Let's go ahead and walk over here. We have one of the first bedrooms. Obviously, we're going to carry the same thing we do to the family room for flooring to all of the bedrooms. We're either going to do a nice vinyl tile, or we're going to do a hardwood, and we're going to replace the ceiling fans. Here we have one of the first bathrooms, but we don't need to get into that because all of the bathrooms in this property are relatively the same. They have the same design cues, the same 2000s, design era, if you know what I mean. Obviously, we're going to be doing the carpets in this room as well as the ceiling fans. And one of the unique things about this house is that the previous owners of the property were actually handicapped or disabled. And so you can see they have grab handles in the showers, in the bathrooms. That's not going to be a major fix. It's going to be very simple. This is what people would call a lipstick flip because it's mainly all cosmetic stuff. There's no structural damages. There's no big repair costs in this house. It's really, really little things. Add some grab handles here, obviously. Spruce up the cabinets, and possibly even redo the countertops if we need to. Let's go ahead and get outside of the master bedroom because we have a few more bedrooms down here as well as one of the bathrooms. So this one is going to be just like the other two and this one as well. We're going to be doing carpets and we're going to be replacing the ceiling fans, and that's all we should need to do. And actually on your left hand side is going to be one of the bathrooms. Very, very simple fix. We just have to spruce up the showers a little bit, put in some subway tile, maybe replace the shower heads, and just make it look a little bit newer, a little bit cleaner so we can get a higher price point for the property. And obviously we're gonna do the same thing to this bathroom as well. So you guys, as we walk into the backyard of this property, one of the cool things about this one compared to all of the ones that it's neighboring is that it doesn't actually have the back wall. Now that's a positive for some, a negative for others, but I personally love it. And the reason that I love it is because you get to actually view the golf course. And I'm gonna show you something actually really unique that a lot of other houses here don't have, which is this little balcony on top of the home. We're currently on the rooftop balcony of this house, and look at how beautiful this is. We have views of the entire golf course here. We have views of the mountains over there. Oops, it's a little bit out of the frame. Let's go and scooch over. We got views of the mountains over there, the mountains over there near Fountain Hills. And as an added bonus, if you feel so inclined, you can spy on your neighbors because you can see directly into their yard. This is going to be the 3-car garage for the property. As I mentioned before, we don't have electricity right now because we're in the process of switching the utilities. But one of the nice things is we have an amazing storage closet here with some of the HVAC stuff. And as an added bonus, the sellers left some of their paint and some of their tile that matches the property. So that's going to help us bring down our cost a little bit and make this whole process just move a little bit smoother.